guys, so today's video is a styling video. I did a video similar like this a while back and you guys pretty much liked it. I'll link it right here in the corner where I style skirts outfit idea. This time it's going to be a little different. I'm going to be focusing on one brand and it's Shein. If you guys been on my channel for a while, I've been working with Shein ever since I started YouTube. So I want to say a huge thank you to them for partnering with me to bring this video for you guys. I'll also have a coupon code for you guys so you guys can save some money, some coins, and it'll be right here as well as in the description box. So I'm gonna stop rambling and without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so here's the box. It's so huge and heavy. I can like barely lift it up, probably because I have no muscle. Anyways, this was sent separate. It was in a separate package, so I already opened it because I was so excited. I'm going to use my lash scissor to open this up because I don't have any box cutter, or I probably do. It's just I don't know where is it and I don't feel like finding it. So we're just gonna use this. First thing I got is this. It looks like a coat. So I'm just gonna take all the items out.
Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head.
Okay, so I pretty much got everything laid on my bed. I actually don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got so far. They sent me a bunch of stuff. And then got 3 pair of shoes and a bunch of clothing. Okay, so I have all the clothing on this clothing rack. It's actually a new day. I couldn't film yesterday because the sun was setting and it was just a lot to unpack, so I just went ahead and unpack all the clothing and I hang on this clothing rack. I also picked up 3 pair of shoes from Shein and some accessory. The first outfit I want to create, I'm gonna take this skirt I got and also this nice black blouse. I think these two go really well together, so I'm gonna get back with you guys once I put those clothes on. Okay, so here's the first outfit. I absolutely love how it turned out. I love these knee-high boots I got off Shein. They're really nice and it's not that high, so it's really good for like a everyday wear. I'm gonna go back on their website and get the other colors as well. And here is the skirt. I think they look really nice for the winter and fall time. However, I got this in an extra small, so they're really tight on me. I shouldn't have like just got a small. Other than that, it still looks really nice. Also, here is the black blouse I'm wearing. I actually really like this blouse. It's like a really good fabric. I don't know what type of fabric this is called. The shoulder part is one of my favorites. It's kind of like a little poof or like a little shoulder pad going on, but there's no pads. And I'm also wearing these gold hoops earring I got from Shein as well. Here's my first take on Shein outfit. Everything from head to toe is from Shein. Okay, so this is the first outfit and I was looking at my clothing rack, teddy jacket, I think that's what they're called. And I think it also goes really well with this outfit. You just want to keep yourself more warm. Just throw this one on well with the outfit too, just a extra layering piece. So yeah, this is the jacket. Okay, so the next item I got from Shein is this blazer and skirt set. I always wanted to wear a set. I really like the business outfit wear. So here is the second outfit. I can't wait to like wear it for like my business class. The skirt fit me pretty well. I think I got this in a extra small. And if you guys are wondering for size reference, my waist size is a 23. I have a really small waist and I'm pretty petite. Also, I'm wearing the same black top I was wearing for the other outfit, and I also have on the same hoop earring. I feel like it's kind of empty, so I'm gonna get the purse. Okay, so here is the whole look. I look so business professional. I can't wait to wear this outfit. So here is the handbag, which I absolutely love. I think it goes so well with the outfit. The chain is like really high quality. It's kind of like a really thick band, which is really nice.
I'm just sorry that there ain't no time left. You and I were over. Me and you are done. When I wanted to be closer, you just wanted to run. Though I know
this was the second outfit. Oh, pro just came out. So the next one I want to style is this blazer dress as well. Really nice, very business professional. Okay, so here is the third outfit. Once again, I'm wearing the same boots. I just feel like they go with everything. This is a dress. This dress open all the way, so this zipper, like once you unzip it, you see everything under. And I just pair it with this purse. So I want to show you guys close up of the purse. It kind of looked like one of the LV bag. I'm pretty sure it's kind of like a box. Let me know how you guys feel about this outfit. All black, all Shein. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna go ahead and style this side of the clothing rack. Pick this one right here, this sweater dress, and I think I'm gonna pair this with this purse belt. So I just want to show you guys how the dress look like. This is the dress. It's so warm. I can't wait to wear this. It just look really plain if I just wear it like this. So I also pick up this purse to go with this outfit. When you look at this, tell me if this does not look like freaking Dior. Okay, so here's the outfit. The belt is kind of loose for me. I need to like make another hole for it to fit my waist, and this is the outfit. I think it's perfect for the fall season. Let me know what you guys think. I really like this outfit. If this belt fit me a little bit more. I'm gonna try to go ahead and do this one. Honestly, when I opened this, I was like, wow, this is heavy. Like, it's kind of like fleece almost. Turtleneck are really in style right now. Okay, so here's the next item I picked up from Shein. It's like a big cape. As you can see, I feel like I'm like in one of Yeezy runway. It also comes with this string, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie it into like a little bow if it's possible. Let me see. Oh, this is kind of short. Okay, so here is the full outfit. I just pair with these white, I almost say white Yeezy. I'm pairing it with these white booties from Shein. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, it's nice at the same time. I feel like, where would I wear this, you know? If you want to really outdress all your friends, you know, throw on this cape and show up to their Christmas party. Same hoop. I just have my hair up so you guys can see the whole outfit. Like, can we just take a moment and like look at this turtleneck looking. Okay, next outfit. Okay, so the next item I want to wear is this dress. I'm trying this dress so you guys can see how I look. Okay, so here's the next item I got. It's a maxi dress. I don't know what this dress is called. They have all these ruffles. I've seen this like all over social media. Like, it's really trendy. That's why I picked it up. See, it have like this ruffle detail going on, and it have like a slit on the side, which is really nice. However, it doesn't really fit me. Even though this is a small, my body's really petite, so it's like kind of loose fitting on me. But one thing good about this dress is the strap is adjustable, so you know, it's really easy for me to adjust it to my shoulder. And I'm just pairing it with these white lace-up high heels, and I think it's great for the holiday. I love how this fit. If only it fit me like a little tighter. Okay, so the next thing I want to style is this orange satin dress. They have like a little bell sleeve going on. I think I'm gonna wear this for my birthday or Thanksgiving. Okay, so here is the orange satin dress with the bell sleeve. Actually, like kind of like clip this part because it actually goes all the way down, but you know, I just don't want to show too much. Anyways, this is the dress. I just pair with these, once again, these lace white high heels. I think I'm gonna wear this for like Thanksgiving, and I just have on the same hoops earring. I just don't feel like changing up my earring. So here is the close-up of the dress. It kind of have like these cheetah print looking going on, but it's like satin. Let's see if you guys can see it. It kind of like have that reflection going on.
Beautiful
jeans from Shein, and I'm really excited to see if these fit me well. I know a lot of people are like iffy when it comes to jeans. You know, you want to like wear it in the store so you know how to fit on you. But I'm gonna give you guys my first reaction. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm going to pair it with this white long sleeve or this white sweater. Okay, so here's the next outfit. It's very casual, more of like a everyday outfit type of look. I love the jeans. Let me just say that. It's these mom jeans or boyfriend jeans, I believe, for the first time. I'm so glad I found jeans that fit me. I'm pretty sure I got this in an extra small because my waist is like 23, 24. And it fit perfectly on me. I absolutely love these jeans. And I'm wearing this white sweater. I purposely got a medium because I want it kind of loose fitting. And I'm just wearing the same lace up high heel. Or you can wear this with like your, you know, Nike Air Force. I like to wear this sweater on like on one side. I think it's more stylish when you do so. And also I switch out for bigger hoops. If you guys been watching the whole video, these are actually bigger hoops. Also, more here. This purse also goes with like this outfit. Downside about this purse is the pearls keep on coming off. Other than that, it looked really nice and cute, but I just don't like how the pearls keep on coming off. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the same outfit. I'm just gonna change up the jeans so you guys can see. So here is the next outfit. It's pretty much similar to the last outfit. I just changed up the boots and the jean. I really like these skinny jeans. Once again, they fit perfectly on me. I got it in an extra small. It's really stretchy. Like, I like it. It's like not too tight on me. These jeans are roll cut, so I just roll it up at the bottom, as you can see. Also, once again, like I always say in all my videos, if you want to style up the outfit a little bit more, you can wear a belt to finish off the look. But I just want to show you guys how it look simple without the belt. So I have one more pair of ripped skinny jeans, and there's like cuts, this weird tear up cut at the bottom. I'm gonna pair this with black blouse. I think it goes really well together. I'm gonna also add this jacket over to see how it looks. Okay, so here is the next pair of skinny jeans. I like the other two better. Here, it's kind of like loose right here. Like when I like walk, like it's just like, it look kind of loose. I don't know. It's not too tight on me. I can breathe in these. Okay, so I just decided to throw on this teddy coat, you know, just a layering piece so the outfit look more put together. And also, once again, I think it'll keep me more warm. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this outfit? Okay, so before I change it to my next outfit, I just want to show you guys this coat I got from Shein. It's such good quality. It's for sure gonna keep me warm. This is one of my favorite coats that I ever owned. Really neutral tone, so it'll go with anything, and I thought it goes really well with this outfit I put together. This top right here, which is my favorite color, is in this baby blue. Okay, so here is the next outfit. I'm not really a fan of these pants. It's a leather pants, my first pair. I really like the slit detail right here, but it just doesn't make me feel comfortable. It's just this part right here is really loose, so I don't really like how it fit. I'm not really a fan of these pants. Other than that, I really like this blue shirt. I think this shirt can go with anything. Okay, so I almost forgot about this belt, so I just decided to add it. And for this outfit, I love chain belt. I feel like it goes with anything. Also, to finish off this look, I just pair it with this purse again. Okay, so I think I only have 2 more clothing pieces I need to style. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm wearing the same pants. I feel like flannel just look really good with like any black. So here is the look. I just changed the top, which is this oversized flannel. It's like a knot right here, so it doesn't like really go down all the way. And I just like to wear it off shoulders, so make it more stylish. So now I'm on to the last item I got from Shein. Also, if you're wondering, this teddy jacket right here, I got this from Shein a while back, like last year. I just wanted to hang it on this clothing rack to make it like, you know, fall and winter style. Item is this maxi dress right here. It's a knitted maxi dress. It's also a turtleneck. I've been seeing like these maxi knitted dress, so I'm gonna pop this on and I'm gonna get right back with you guys. Okay, so here is the final look in this video. I just have on this knitted maxi dress. It's a turtleneck. I've been seeing this type of maxi knitted dress. This is what they wear on runways with like boots, so I decided to recreate the type of look. It have like this slit going on the side, and I just pair with this gold chain belt, and I just think it completes the whole look. I love this outfit. I'm definitely gonna wear it to church.
Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. You're sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, I love making these videos, like how to style, you know, you're like struggling, how to style the clothing you get and what to get on Shein. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Once again, my coupon code and all the items in this video are listed down below in the description box. Be sure to let me know which outfit was your favorite down in the comment below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.